Welcome back to the vlog, you guys. We are, well, the kids are in their little Christmas shirts because who's coming?
Santa.
Santa's coming on the fire truck today. It's gonna be so fun, right? We're gonna see Santa today on the fire truck. You little ham. My little elf. My big elf. Whoops, socks. Keep her sock on. So, that's all we're doing today. We're hanging out, waiting for Santa. And then maybe we'll go see Nana Pop, right? Someone already has her first tooth and her second one is coming in right next to it. So she's been so fun. Right? Say, I'm getting my tooth. All I want for Christmas is my tooth front teeth. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Can you say mama? My little baby. Go cheese! Look at my teeth! Look at my pearly whites! My cute girl, my cute girl. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for Santa. So hopefully you guys will see Santa today with us because Santa's coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Woo! Woo! We're waiting for Santa. We hear him. He's gotta be a few blocks away, which still could be like 20 minutes, but we wanna be ready.
Be right.
We wanna be ready for Santa on the fire truck.
Be right.
Yay! Who's coming?
Santa.
On what?
Santa.
I said on a fire truck, baby Emma. I hear Santa Claus.
No?
Yeah. Let's go. You want to go stand by a street and look? Go on the sidewalk? Where's your sock? You hear him? So we are home. We spent the afternoon with my parents just visiting and saying hi. Hadn't seen my dad. He usually watches, helps out with Emma, but he was just getting over a cold. So we are home now and we are waiting for our DoorDash. Oops, our DoorDash. I just ordered some dinner, some Mexican. From this Mexican place that we love and we literally have not been to since I don't even know when. So yeah, we're just waiting for dinner and hanging out. Wasn't the Santa truck like so cute? So touch her head now because she's getting so tall. My baby's almost 1. Oh my goodness. Baby Emma's almost 1. No. She's almost 1. Yeah, so we'll just get dinner. James should be home in like a half an hour. Okay. Hello, you guys. It is the next day, right? It's Sunday now. I just didn't close out the vlog yesterday, so I'm not really gonna vlog today, but I figured I would just come on here and close it out. Today, we're just hanging out. Yeah, right? Yeah, party, party, party. Yeah, we're just hanging out today. Jax is still in jammies. She was in jammies, but she got a little spit up over it, so I had to change her. So I'm just doing laundry, cleaning up. My food shop order's delivering soon. And then that's it for today, because it's Sunday. We gotta get ready for a new week, right? So I hope you guys are having a great day so far, whichever day it is you're watching this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yes. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.